And I kind of knew that I would find this somewhere at least. किधर तो सस्ते में मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Bigger brand labels are bad or anything. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, then my name is Anjali Grover. Before we get into this video, I have a disclaimer for you. That is, there's a giveaway at the end of this video, so do watch the video till the end to know what the giveaway is and what are the rules of the giveaway. The title of the video, you obviously know what the video is all about. I'm not asking you to go and spend your money on things, but if you're someone who's looking for a gift option for your loved ones or your special people or your best friend because you cannot meet them, so you want to do this small gesture by giving them something, so please consider these pages as well while you're looking for your gift options. I have used these products, so that's the reason I am suggesting you these pages. Some of these pages have started like last year in the pandemic and are trying to survive through this situation. These are like hidden gems on Instagram. Literally, I have placed orders which were like last minute orders, and the owners have been so generous that they have done express delivery, not even charging me for the express delivery. Literally, I've got the product like on time.
Oh my god! Wow!
And the best part about these Instagram pages is that they make sure they connect with their customers. They write these written notes and the packaging and everything is good. I'm not saying like bigger brand labels are bad or anything. They don't care about the customers. They do as well, but it is at times better to shift from those bigger brand to these small businesses because you're giving them a chance to grow as well. And customer satisfaction is the utmost important thing for any business to be successful. I'm not gonna say that all the Instagram pages, all these new pages on Instagram, they are good, they are worth it. I have had some bad experiences wherein I've spent a lot of money, and in return those products have not lasted me even for 2 days, like really 2 days. And I've just felt like, okay, now I need to know that whenever you go for any kind of shopping on Amazon or anything, you go on their review section. So I make sure that if I'm spending my money, it definitely is worth it, even if it's of lesser price, but it should be something that I feel like, okay, at least it's something decent that I can spend on. Also, these are not ads, so this is everything that I have legit found on Instagram and I'm suggesting it to you. I genuinely like these pages. I like the products. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first on the list is Kumar Jewels. I stumbled upon this page while I was looking for a Chand Bali that was trending at that point. It was a Zircon Chand Bali. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. I looked up for it. It was around 4 to 5k, which was like madness. These are the Chand Balis that I'm talking about. If you have recognized this, then yes, you know all the trends on Instagram. Since I was looking for this, it was suggesting me a lot of jewelry pages on Instagram, and that's when I reached them and I asked them what was the cost of these earrings, and I got these for 720. Okay, with shipping I got this for 720, and you can see that it's still in a very good shape. I remember I got these in January, so abhi tak it's like in a very good shape, and it came inside this airtight box, exactly the same which were being sold for 4k. It's not like ki ye sasta hai to it's something different. It's exactly the same thing. I didn't have to ask them again ki kab hoga deliver and all. They just gave me an estimated delivery date and it just arrived on time. You can go and follow them on Instagram. You can check their page out. They also have a lot of other Kundan jewelries and other sort of jewelry pieces on their page, which is worth checking out, and they are also at a very reasonable price. So do go and follow Kumar Jewels on Instagram. So the next one is Brushella. So their brand is all about mask chains. I think at some point last year mask chains were quite trending on Instagram. It was like a new thing. Actually not a new thing, it's something that we used to wear with those spectacles or sunglasses. It's just with mask now. They have a lot of variety in mask chains. I know they had these neutral tones which had all these brown, tan and beige kind of, and very dusty nude pink, colorful ones which are like bold colors, then neon colors. Yeah, this is like a rainbow mask chain. It has like all the pastel colors, so which is like gonna go with a lot of outfits, especially in summer. It's gonna look like really great ghar pe. I wore this on my trip to Goa, so it was like really going with all of my outfits though, and it looked quite good. I remember I got a lot of compliments also. It was slightly on a pricier side. I wouldn't say that बहुत ही cheap है, but yeah, थोड़ा सा pricey है. I got this for 580. I will also up an image over here me wearing this mask chain, and it comes with this bands which you can actually insert in your sunglasses or your glasses. It will look kind of fancy, and it's also very convenient as you don't have to keep on, you just want to get some air, you just remove your mask, or you're eating food and you have to keep it inside your bag, so it's better that it's just hanging in your neck like a necklace. Basically, it's something that you have an access to very easily. So if you're someone who's looking out for a mask chain, then do hit them up on Instagram. So the next page is the Cool Fairy store on Instagram. Okay, this was very random, just exploring stuff on Instagram, and this kind of popped up, and I really liked what she sells over there. Clothes to bags, everything. It's a croc pattern chain shoulder bag. She has a lot of cute bags on her page. I really wanted one in lilac, though I'm like obsessed with lilac, but it was out of stock and I was like, I don't have any option. The others which were there, I was not quite like keen on getting those colors, so I was like, okay, chalo, I'll go with the vanilla stuff which goes with everything. It's the black color, and this page keeps updating like their stocks. They always have this fancy like updating their stocks every now and then, and they have these very cute and fancy bags all the time in stock. Delivery was on time, and this costed me around 830, which is really good with shipping. I did pay shipping to her, and yeah, it's quite okay for the price. I'm not gonna say that it's like very flattering or anything, and she really has cute stuff. I'm not gonna say the quality is like very good, but I think worth the price. It's okay for the price that I've paid. It at times really scary on Instagram to do that. So that's why I really do one thing, is that I go on to their customer review section and I see that okay, if it's a legit page, there's no shady over here. So yeah, always do that before you go on to an Instagram page if you're shopping from there. Although these pages that I'm suggesting are legit, are like really good, because I have shopped from there, so I do know how the people are, and they are really nice pages to shop from. So the next page is Dapper Label. So this is on my husband's recommendation, and I've been seeing him shopping from this page like for a really long time. He's been a loyal customer to this page. He recently ordered from them on his birthday, and that time I saw that the packaging was really I was quite impressed with the packaging, and like I told you, I really like written notes, and there was a written note. This page has a lot of stuff. I think they sell watches, the replica, the first copy of those branded watches, and sunglasses. So my husband has power glasses, like number wale glasses. So what he does is he gets all frames ordered from them, like the sunglasses or glasses, then he just changes the lens in it to his number, which is convenient for him because it's easier for him to wear it anytime. He won't be having any problem with his vision as well. And they really have some cool frames. Even I really liked it, and one of the recent purchase that he's made, I really like that. At a very good price, he's getting a very trendy and fancy looking glasses and frame. You're really someone who's looking for sunglasses or replicas of this expensive brands car replica watches, then you can go and hit them up on Instagram. Last Instagram page on my list is Amaya Chicken. So this is like a Lucknowi chicken curry kind of kurti sets page. My sister did order from them, and she really liked it. They keep having these deals on Instagram. They have these deals right now where they are selling a kurti set, like a Lucknowi kurti and dupatta, like a full set that you're getting at 1K, which is amazing for that kind of material that you're getting. Got a very good feedback from my sister as well. She really loved it. I think they have another page as well, which is just for the fabrics, so you can follow them over there also. I really love the patterns that they keep uploading every now and then, so I am probably gonna shop very soon from there. I'm just giving you feedback that my sister gave me. If you are looking for something like an affordable price, a chikankari and Lucknowi kurtis, then definitely check this page out. Okay, so that's it. Before leaving, I will shamelessly promote my page as well. I have this laptop sleep page on Instagram. Do follow me over there. We customize and deliver amazing and fancy sleeves, very good quality sleeves in a span of 4 to 5 working days at your doorsteps. You can check our page on Instagram and do follow us and DM us for orders. If you have any doubts, you can go on our customer feedback section where you can see everything if you have any doubts before placing your orders. So coming to the giveaway now, I am giving away this Blue Heaven package. This is having a lot of products inside. I'll show you what it has. Blue kajal, primer, makeup fixer, their liner, their brow definer, another brow definer, another shade. There are 2 lipsticks, 1 nail paint. So you get this, one of you will be getting this. I'll be picking up the winner randomly through an website where it will decide the winner according to the comments that you will be doing below. You have to really follow these rules. You have to like, comment, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. And let me know in the comment section which is the one page that you are really looking forward to, which you are very keen to check out. I'll be announcing the winners of this giveaway on my Instagram on, I think it's 14th, around 8 o'clock in the night. Follow me up on my Instagram stories for that. So that's it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Just do it!
And hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever there's a new video on my channel. See you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, stay home, bye.